Dora the Hippo is a cute, friendly, and very noticeable character for children's parties and family events. With her bright purple color, big kind eyes, toothy smile, and neat bow, she instantly inspires trust in children and looks great in photos and videos. The large, light-colored belly adds to the cuddliness and makes the doll as huggable as possible. The costume is voluminous and soft, holds its shape, and looks beautiful in motion. You can dance, wave, play with children, and pose in different scenes. Comfortable glove-like hands and large details make gestures visible even from a distance, ideal for working in crowded areas. Suitable for active entertainment, interactive activities, round dances, and mini-games. Ideal for birthdays, kindergarten graduations, children's centers, shopping centers, promotions, openings, photo zones, festivals, parks, and family celebrations. Dora easily becomes the star of the event. She gathers children around her, increases guest engagement, and helps to create many warm shots for social media and reports.